Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Unit. In this video, we'll discuss about how search engine works. So basically, before explaining how search engine works, firstly we will understand what is the search engine. So you can say that search engine is software that help user find information on the web by searching for keyword or phrase. Like if you come on the web and if you search for something like hotel in Delhi. If you search for the hotel in Delhi, you search for the keyword like hotel in Delhi and you will get the relevant result here. So in this way, we can say that from the search engine is a software that help user find information on the web by searching for the keyword of page. Search engine use algorithm to rank website based on the how relevant they are to the search query. So basically, if you see I search for the hotel in Delhi, so the multiple results will be there. How means, as we can say that if we are searching for hotel in Delhi and all the website include hotel in Delhi word and optimize on based on the hotel in Delhi. So how the first make my tip coming on the first, after that Gobi will coming, Ajoda is coming. So this is a completely process of the search engine. The complete algorithm is there, and this video will discuss that part. So the popular search engine is like Google search, Bing, Yahoo, Brave search, Yandex. So these are the popular search engine. And now we will explain how search engine work. Search engine use a three-step process to find and display relevant information for the user. If I search for the hotel in Delhi, so all the results will be related to hotel in Delhi. So this is the three-step process to show the relevant information according to the user query. So the first one is the crawling, the second one is the indexing, the third one is the ranking. What is the crawling? This is the first page of the how search engine work, and that search engine use automated programs called crawlers to find and download text, image and from the web page. What happen? The first phase will be crawling. Suppose my website is this particular digitaljunit.in. My website is the digitaljunit.in. So Google have automated bots. The Google has the automated bots. As you can see here, Google use automated programs that known as by the crawlers. So crawlers come on my website and crawlers will explore my all website web page, and they can analyze my text, they can analyze my videos, audio. All this part will be analyzed by the crawlers. So the first will be the Google automated bots will go to the web page, and from that they can download text, image, videos, content from the web page. Okay, the next page, next stage will be indexing. The search engine analyze the content and store it in a large database called the index. What happened? Basically, once the crawling has been done, so the search engine identify this kind of the content has been used in this particular web page. On the basis of that, they will define the ranking. Indexing they will install. Suppose basically the book database is there. If we see about a book index, so what the indexing mean? Indexing means suppose if my website has the three type of the content, category digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google My Business. So search engine will store according on the basis of the category. Facebook ad content will be stored in the Facebook ad categories. If you see the books, so in the books on the first page the manual is there. On page number 1 this particular topic is there, page number 5 this particular topic is there. On the basis of that Google index work, the data will be stored according to the category basis. Suppose these are the blogs that related to the health category, these are the blogs that related to the travel category. In the same way, the search engine part will be store the data in the index. So we can say that the search engine analyze the content and store in a large database called as index. After that, ranking part will be there. Once the crawling done, once the Google crawler identify the particular content has been used on this website, after that the search engine will index that particular data, and after that it will display the ranking part. The search engine use algorithm to determine which page are most relevant to the user query and ranks them in order, with the most relevant page appearing at the top of the search results. Basically, once the crawling done, once the indexing done, Once the crawling done, once the indexing, the next part will be ranking. On the basis of the quality of the content, the ranking will be given for the particular content. So we can say that like this particular ranking coming in the search engine on a particular search query, this will come on multiple basic factor like how the website is optimized according to the search engine guidelines. So as you can see here, search engine consider many factors while ranking result, including the word in user query. What are the like? This word is also included when in the ranking part. The relevance and usability of the page, the expertise of the source, the user location and setting, the content fastness. So all these factors will be included when the user will search for any particular query. Means the first one is the word in the query. So the search engine will try to identify like the if on the page web pages this particular the information is present related to this particular content keyword, the pages only those pages will be those web page will be shown in the search engine. So as we can see that the second one is here, the relevance. Like after that the search engine will identify like on which website the particular keyword is used and how proper is optimized according to the search engine guidelines. So basically firstly we have to focus on the search engine guidelines, and on the basis of the search engine guidelines we have to work on our website web page, and after that make it try to relevant. So basically the search engine work on the user friendly models. So if search engine delivering the user related words like user searching for hotel in Delhi, and if the search engine show hotel in Bangalore, so no one people come in the search engine. So as we can say that search engine works for themselves, like the main purpose of the search engine to provide better result to the end user, like any person coming and searching for anything, so to provide a better result for them. So this is the three main part of the like how search engine work. The first one is the crawling, the second one is the indexing, the third one is the ranking. In the crawling page, Google automated programs comes that known as the crawlers, and they can identify our text, our image, our video, all the information they can download. And the second page will be indexing page. In that our web page content will be indexed according to basis of the category. And the third one is the ranking. So ranking will be defined according to the basis how our content is performed, how our content is optimized on the particular keywords or particular user query. So search engine result can be consider multiple factors. It can be the word in user query, the relevance and usability of the page, the expertise of the source, and the user location and setting, the content and content freshness. So basically further video will discuss in the further video we will discuss about on which factor the search engine vary the content, what our all the term will be in the on page optimization, that we will discuss in the further videos. So if you have any question you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.